Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn all about LED, uses of LED, advantages of LED, its symbol and all about working of LED. LED is an abbreviation used for light emitting diode. LEDs are used everywhere. First we see what are the uses of LED and at the same time we'll talk about advantages of using LED. LED is used as indicators in various electronics devices like laptops, power supplies, water purifiers, grinders, etc. You might have seen a blinking light in grinder at home. It is an LED. Imagine what if I replace that LED in your grinder with light bulb. Now, what will be the shape of your grinder? It becomes too bulky. Now, talk about advantage of using LED. Advantage of using LED is overall size of circuit or you can say device reduces and it becomes portable. If you use bulb instead of LED, the whole things become bulky. Another advantage of using LED instead of light bulb is LEDs are energy efficient. It consumes only 10% of the energy which a traditional light bulb consumes. So, LED is an energy efficient. Now talking about third advantage of using LED. LED lasts around 30 times longer than bulb. LEDs are used in traffic signal displays and nowadays we have LED television sets also. Take one LED. If you look at the LED, one leg is long and other is short. LED have polarity. The word polarity is widely used in electronics. There are only two kinds of polarity. One is positive and other is negative. So you see in the LED, longer leg is positive and the short leg is negative. And we have names for these legs. The longer leg is known as anode while short leg is known as cathode. Now let's talk about symbol of LED. If you look at the symbol, you will notice there is a triangle and then there is a small vertical arrows. Small arrows shows LED converts electrical energy into light energy. As the name suggests, it's a diode. LED will glow only if positive voltage is given to the anode and negative is given to the cathode. This means current should enter from positive side. On corner, you can see image. In that, LED is connected to battery on breadboard. And also, you can check how to glow LED on breadboard that I have already uploaded on my channel. You can check link for this in description. If you increase the amount of current, the intensity with which LED glows increases. So, it is the current which decides how bright LED will glow. This chart shows how much minimum forward voltage is required to glow LED. Here you can see different color LEDs require different forward voltage to glow. And this chart also shows you how much maximum voltage LED can handle. It means if you apply more voltage than required value, then LED may get damage. Now let's see how to check LED, that is it is working or not without connecting it to battery. So let's test this LED whether it is working or not by using multimeter. Now bend the positive terminal of LED like this to make the gap between two terminals and place LED on flat surface and take multimeter, rotate the dial to beep symbol. Now keep the multimeter aside and connect the red probe to positive terminal of LED and black to negative terminal of LED. And here you can see LED glows. This is for working LED. But if you have any fused LED, then what will happen? What will be the behavior of multimeter? In this case, there are two possibilities. Either LED will not glow or multimeter may produce a beep sound if the anode and cathode of LED shorted from inside. I have this LED which is not working. We'll test this LED whether it produces a beep sound or not glow only. So this is the behavior of multimeter when it is connected to damaged LED. This is how you can check whether LED is in working condition or not, and at the same time you can check the color of LED also without connecting it in a circuit. From this video you get to know that advantages of LED, uses of LED, symbol of LED, working of LED, and with the small experiment using multimeter how to check LED is in working condition or not, and at the same time checking the color of LED. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.